What up, y'all? Jay here. So on this episode, I'm gonna do a Sunday dinner prepared in like 20 minutes, featuring some barbecue chicken. All right, so I'm gonna do a quick macaroni and cheese stove top. So I got the butter, and we're gonna add some milk, and then we just gonna stir that around. I already add some salt and pepper once when I was boiling the noodles, so we pretty much good on that. But now we just gonna throw in some of the cheese that is provided in the little packet for us. We're gonna put some cheese in, and then we're gonna let's get all that cheese in there. There we go. Now we're gonna stir that around some. Stir it around. And once we get that the way we want it, stir it around a good little bit. Oh yeah, we getting it all stirred up in the mix. Stir it around. And now we're gonna add a little shredded cheese, just to make it a little more cheesier. You know, make it look more like a oven baked mac and cheese. But like I said, this is a quick Sunday's dinner. Stir that around. Now, yeah, as you can see, the cheese is kind of dissolving just the way we want it, making them noodles real creamy and real cheesy, just like that. Alright, so now we on to the green beans. I basically just hit it with a little olive oil, and then we're gonna add in a little of that bacon drippings my wife has saved up, just like that. And gonna add in a little of the potatoes, and then stir that around. And then we're gonna add in just a little pinch of this here all natural season, which is like salt and pepper and garlic powder. And then on to the corn. A little more of that natural seasoning. Add in a little natural seasoning and a little of that black pepper. And that corn is gonna be what it do. That sweet corn too. Sweet corn, baby. So now, on to the barbecue sauce. Now I know most people probably don't even think to do this, but me, I haven't always, but I learned over the years, I like to season. That's right. Season my barbecue sauce. And we're gonna put some of that garlic season in there, which is a good season. Add a little of that garlic season in my barbecue sauce, and y'all know what I'm gonna do. And that's it. Stir it around. We're gonna get it good so we can go ahead and add this thing on for our barbecue chicken. Bam! There it is. We're gonna wax that on there like that, just like painting on that barbecue sauce for that chicken. And look, watch how it looks. Oh, good God Almighty! I think that chicken is ready to come off the grill, y'all. What y'all think? Looks good to me. So there we go. Let's take that chicken off. Yeah. Make sure we get all of it. Don't drop not one. Yeah. Looks pretty good. Oh yeah. Oh man. Now this, I mean, like I said, this was like a 20-minute dinner. But everybody know it took the chicken approximately 2 hours, maybe. Yeah. So I mean, far as the other stuff, you know, watch this. Bam. Sunday dinner, baby.